the Regional Stakeholder Consultations in Asia, Nature Positive Trade.
So today's event is beyond Indonesia. It is regional process in Asia, because Trade Hub is not only working in Indonesia, of course.
If you miss this minute, whatever you do after, you eat the iceberg. And I think we are in this time and we need to change.
This is important topics to discuss, as there is an increasing role that the trade and trade-related policy play in addressing the global biodiversity crisis.